Alright, let's try this again. We're recording the sewer line here at 6035 30th Northeast, dates May 5th, 2020. Recording this from the clean out here on the north side of the home. I'm out at about 30 feet, give or take right now. There's a turn up towards the front of the house. The turn is washed away and broken. So we've got this washed away, broken turn. I can't get the camera any further than this. That's dirt. So you can kind of see the outline of the pipe there. We've got concrete old pipe and the turn has just washed out. There's a big hole in the side of the pipe. So I'm going to come back from there and get an idea of condition of the line. Old concrete, seen a lot better days. And come back towards the clean out here. So we got another small section of broken pipe here. As we get back, maybe halfway along the line towards the clean out. Another small missing chunk of concrete. So we're looking at about 30 feet of 4-inch old concrete pipe before we get back into the plastic installed as part of this project that was done last year, these clean out installations. So we're going to come out of the clean out here. That's the clean out we're accessing from. I'm going to pause the video and we are going to move around the house into the inside. Alright, we're going to keep recording here. I was able to get around that corner and we're all the way down to the city main line sewer now. This is out running up and down 30th Northeast and a ways out there from where I'm recording this on the north side of the house. So I'm going to pull back from this city main. I got the footage zeroed out and we'll get a look at the entire line. So we're in a 6-inch clay line right now, coming back towards the clean out. Wash the screen off a bit there. This is and we're going now back into 6-inch concrete line. Got the kitchen sink running, so we'll be able to see where that kitchen sink line ties in. And that likely is where the neighbor ties into the pipe there on the right side of the screen. Bottom side of the screen, I should say. Appear to be the neighbor's tie-in. Keep coming back from there. Some sludge in the pipe there. It's to be expected out of a sewer line. I believe we're back in 4-inch concrete pipe now. Go push back out to where that neighbor tie-in is. Try to get an idea.
Water coming in?
Yep. Keep it coming though for just a minute here. Yeah, so this is definitely 6-inch concrete, and we come back. The neighbor's tie-in is likely right there on the bottom side of the pipe. So we got about 28, 30 feet of 6-inch pipe, and we're coming back. This still looks like 6-inch pipe to me. We'll try to identify where the transition is from 4 to 6 here. That could be it right there. Yeah, that's it right there. So about 35 feet of 6-inch pipe. Now we're coming back into 4-inch diameter line. And there's our kitchen line tie-in. So I'm going to go locate that. We're going to pause the video for a second and get a locate on where this kitchen line's tying in.